What's up everyone, this is 𝑔𝑗𝑻𝑪 here from Serene Art. So in this tutorial I decided to show you how to add a green screen subscribe animation button to your videos. Okay, those of you who are having YouTube channel and you create videos, this particular tutorial is for you. So in this tutorial I'll basically go ahead and add green screen subscribe button animation to this project. Okay, so if you don't have Kinemaster, kindly download Kinemaster. The link is in the description. Just go ahead and download it. Okay, so here we are in a project. The next thing that we need to do is to import the green screen animation button onto our project, and I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you go ahead and download it. Okay, so we are going to make use of what we call the chroma key. Okay, so after importing the green screen animation, we are just going to use the chroma key. So here is the green screen animation. So after importing it like this, the next thing for you to do is to make sure you select it. After selecting it, then move straight to chroma key. Okay, chroma key. All right, so with the chroma key selected, just tap on enable. Okay, so once you enable it, you could see that the green background has left the main subscribe button and a hand on the project. Okay, it's as simple as that. So what you have to do is to make sure that you adjust these sliders to fit perfectly onto exactly what you want to do. Okay, just make sure you adjust the sliders to remove the the green color perfectly from your work project. Okay, it is as simple as that. It is basically as simple as that. It is not anything difficult. Okay, so with Kinemaster you'll be able to do this thing within a minute. Okay, not even a minute, within some seconds. Okay, because Kinemaster has made this very awesome. Okay, so you can just go ahead and reduce the size of your green screen animation and put it at one side of your video, so that when a video is playing it will get to come or pop up and do the animation right there for you to see, just like this one showing on the screen. Okay, so basically that is it, and I hope to see you in the next video. And if you're new to this channel, then I urge you to subscribe, because on this channel we talk basically about how to design graphics with your smartphone and how to edit videos with your smartphone. Okay, so if that's what interests you, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Okay, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bless up.